In today's video, I am going to show you how you can animate your image in just a few clicks like this. For that, I will be using Viggle AI. If you don't know about Viggle AI, it is a free AI VFX tool. To learn about Viggle AI in detail, you can check out this video, where I have covered a full tutorial about Viggle AI. But for now, let's stick to today's topic, okay? So first of all, we will create an image. Just go to Styler AI where we can create an amazing 3D image for free. Click New Project. You can also change the file name, adjust your aspect ratio as per your preference, but for this video, I am going to go with 1:1, click Apply. After that, let's go to Text to Image option and choose our style. There's a list of styles you can choose from. Just pick what you want. I'm going to use Cute Exaggeration. Next, let's input our prompt. After that, click Stylerize. There will be 4 images you can choose from. Select the best one for you. Click on it, then place it on your canvas. After that, click on the image and choose Save as Image option, and it will be downloaded into your system. For the second step, go to Viggle AI and select any one server from the left-hand side. In the message, type /animate and choose the top result. Next, upload the image you created on Styler AI. Then we will write our prompt to determine their motion. Go back to the Viggle AI website and on the top right corner of your window, click Prompt. Here you can see a bunch of prompts with different motions. There are a total of 9 pages that you can look through for motion prompts. You can choose and try anything you want. Copy the motion prompt you want, and then paste it on the Discord prompt box. Choose the background type that you want, and in fine-tune, select On. After that, hit Enter and your result will be ready. Let's have a look. This is good for me. You can find the download button on the top right of the video. Next, let's try with one more photo. The process is the same as in our first example. Let's see the result. It's pretty good. Now let's try the motion capture of this AI. I'm going to use this video. You can also find free stock footage from Pexels. Let's create our new character using Styler AI. After you finish, let's go back to the Viggle AI Discord server. In the message, type /mix and click the top result. Let's upload the image first, and then the video. Choose your background type, and then in fine-tune, select On. After that, hit Enter and wait for the result. Let's see the results now. This is pretty good for me. That's it from today's video. I hope you learned something new, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.